Out here with Claytonium, getting the big brake kit off.
On the driver's side. Woohoo!
Fuck this splash sealed. Go for it.
Yeah, it's basically the same exact thing as stock. Everything to plug in. So it's just the 17s and then the 14 for the actual brake line. And the brake lines, I think, are exactly the same. Hopefully.
He says hopefully. Cross threads it. Rip.
Bruh.
MIDI.
Oh, it's gone. Oh! Fucking hit my knee on the big brake.
It's all good.
Oh, dude.
What a loser.
Oh, that fucking hurt. Oh.
Give you guys a in-depth view. Gotta get those good angles of Clayton suffering. Look at his face. Hey, why don't you do the moaning sounds that Scotty Kilmer does when he breaks loose a bolt?
Sorry, guys.
No, he doesn't do that. You know how he does it. Do the top one. Wait, did you break the top one?
I did break the top one.
Man. Don't worry, guys. I'll get him on the next one. I'll get him on the next one for sure. Power tools, removing brake calipers.
Why you gotta be so...
I need a smaller pipe.
Thank you, Danny.
They're gonna fall, watch. They're gonna fall. He's holding on to that like it's his baby. But not the Milwaukee, he just drops it.
It's all good. I can get it in San Jose for...
From that guy that he stolen from the store that has his living room full of new Milwaukee tools. Damn.
Nope. What are you talking about?
Damn.
Did you already loosen this one?
No, I didn't, because you told me not to.
I thought you like loosened it a tiny.
No.
That makes my job harder.
Cringe lord.
Who?
Us.
Us.
Got him.
Damn.
Bro, your material is getting old.
Huh?
Your material is getting old.
Oh, sorry. Guys, I need to come up with new material. Shout me out on Instagram so I can, or DM me on Instagram so I can get some more material to roast the Sebastian.
Oh, you're already leaking. Damn. Environmentalists, get at him for leaking on the street.
Oh, shit. Guys, don't kill me.
Environmentalists gonna come at you. Oh my god, dude, that's leaking.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It's gonna make a fucking mess. And you're like, no, you're gonna drop like 3 drops, bro.
Ah! It's coming at me!
That's why I said.
Dude, this is gonna be hella windy, this video. Ah, jeez, dude.
Hella fluid.
Oh well.
More to bleed.
Oh well. Hurry, quickly. Alright, guys, I'm gonna stop recording so I can help him out. God, this kid.
Oh my fucking...
They have to go in at the same time,
I
dude.
can see that, but there's fucking fluid everywhere. I need help.
Well,
I need help.
I'm gonna top it off so you don't get air in the system. Wow, guys. Wow. Don't be like Clay
Alexa,
here.
pause.
Don't be like Clay here.
Oh my god.
Well, on the bright side, you're bleeding your whole your brake fluid system.
Oh man, you trying to steer people wrong, I'm telling you.
Damn, Clay's holding that like it's his baby or something.
Holding it because...
That thing's big.
Shit's heavy.
That thing's bigger than your head, dude.
Fuck this shit, dude. It's heavy as hell. Go get me the other bolts. These are different, I think.
Weight reduction. Are they different?
I believe so. Here, come bring the other ones. Fuck, dude. I can't see shit.
I had to do this with my Brembo song. That shit sucked.
Fuck, dude. Fucking hate brake fluid. I hate it so much.
After this day, I'm pretty sure you're gonna hate brake fluid. Alright, don't over torque it. Don't over torque it. Torque.
You got over torque it.
Whoa, don't clean it with brake.
I'm wiping it off.
Don't clean it with brake clean. You're gonna take off the paint or the
I know,
powder
I
coat.
need to take it
Chill. Soapy water.
Just spit on it.
Or that.
It works.
You made sure you got the copper bushing in between, right?
Yeah, I can see them both.
All right.
Oh my God! Don't do what we just did. Oh my God.
So make sure the rotor's removed from the other car before you do this.
Right.
Well,
Oh shit.
All right, clean up real quick because
Make sure that the dust shield is off because we had to cut mine.
yeah.
Fuck that shit.
Yeah.
all the prepping beforehand.
Do all the prepping before you start unbolting the brake lines, dude.
Make sure there's no spacers on here, by the way. But now I can put a spacer.
All right, put your spacer on so the rotor can stay in place.
Shit, dude. Yay, big brake kit.
Yeah, you got brake fluid all over your dad's garage.
It's a cleaning solution. It's all good.
Oh my God.
If he was here, he would have kicked my ass.
Dude, he would have kicked your ass. He would have been like, what the are you doing in my garage?
Kicked all of us.
Dude.
Out of the beer. Bye.
He'd be like, deuces.
Deuces. I fell out of the parking lot.
Are you gonna record? Oh.
Yes, I'm recording,
17? Thank you.
capitalizing off you, remember?
Oh, of course. Yes. Yes. That's why I hang out with you. All right.
I mean, I help you out a lot.
Free labor.
Anyways, he's removing the 14 for the brake line.
Just to give us a little bit more
Slack.
slack instead of tension on the line.
Yep.
So
And we already took off the nuts from his spacer right there. Make sure you do that first.
don't be like us.
Don't be like Clayton, not us. Don't include us. Me and Danny here.
Hi, Danny.
Look at me, union rep.
I would recommend putting like a bucket or something to rest the caliper on for the time being. So I would do the 7.
Or if you have some caliper hooks.
They're very loud out there.
Yeah, they are.
The neighbor's gonna come out here and be like, they're vibrating my walls with their talk.
It sounds like the Sacramento Raceway.
And now he's breaking the 17 mils that are behind the caliper bracket.
Oh, we're on there.
I work on their cars, so they leave me alone.
What do you say?
I work on their cars, so they leave me alone. My neighbors.
I don't.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
What do you do for them?
Whatever they need, like change, oil change, whatever. They pay me.
Tell him to go to Jiffy Lube.
Yeah, they pay me. They pay me what I asked, so. They leave me alone.
Where's my cool power tools? So yeah, the 2 17s in the back. Show me what it looks like. 17s. These bolts are different than the actual big thing.
These are fine threaded and the TRD ones are coarse threaded.
I'll be yellow on yellow. Remove it, put it to the side. For now, obviously you remove the rotor.
Now we have to remove the dust shield and there's 3 10mm bolts.
Where's the hell's my 10mm?
They're not Allen head, or actually they're stars.
They're torque bits.
Torque bits, but I'm pretty sure if you use a torque bit, it's gonna break it right off.
Maybe.
Or just strip it, I should say. So just, you're better off using the hex head. But you can't fit a socket there unless it's like a 1/4 inch one. So what we're gonna be using is a 10 mil.
Do they have something smaller than a 1/4 inch? Probably, dude.
I don't know. It makes no sense to have something that small.
It's
But
probably
anyways,
out there.
using the wrench to break it free. Don't cut yourself with the pointy edge of the rotor shield, dust shield.
What if I want to? I
Well,
live
that's
life
on
the
you.
edge.
That's on you.
Union rep can help with that.
Thanks, Union Rep. Where's Santi?
Yeah.
God, I wish Santi was here.
We did. You didn't want to deal with your bullshit.
Oh yeah. Sorry, Santi. I know how much you despise my bullshit.
Yep.
He had to go get someone their bike back.
Yeah, they apparently had to give someone their bike back, which was more important than hanging out with the boys. This one's for the... Oh!
Where's the cacti?
Where's the cacti? Ah! Anyways,
Oh, wait, hold on.
hold on. Oh, I already opened this one. This one's for the boys. Attached Silver, Ignacio, and LK Kyle. That one's for you.
The white shark holder.
Yes. So now Clayton's doing this other side. I already showed you guys how to do it. Makes no sense for me to show it twice.
Move this shit.
Hey, don't rip it. Don't rip it.
Huh?
Oh my god, don't rip it, dude. Don't make the car look jank when you sell it. Jeez.
Is the 1/2" 14 over here with the wrench or ratchet?
Damn.
The 1" 14, sir.
Nice.
This one was a lot quicker than the other one. Damn, you dripping hella.
I can see that.
Damn, son.
Yeah, I got my Brembos.
Damn, everyone gets big brake kits.
Yeah.
Was it Oprah that did that? Everyone gets no, not
Get a
Oprah.
big break.
You get a big break kit. You get a big break. Everybody get a big break kit.
Seabass gets one.
The triangle of big brake kits.
What about Santi?
He doesn't have one.
That's why he left her. He's like, I don't fit in.
I don't fit in. Damn.
Got big break.
What a loser.
Yeah.
Feel my pain.
Stupid. Stupid idea. Alright, hold it. Oh my god, I fucking hate these.
So in order to bleed a big brake kit, you have to do the inner first and then the outer.
Yeah, because there's one on the inside right here on the top, and then one on the outer, and then you obviously work your way over to the other side.
Alright.
Yep. And it's an 11 millimeter, not a 10 millimeter, for some reason. Thanks, boys.
Brakes work?
On time.
Wow.
Monster trucking.
Monster truck.
Dude, it's sitting so high off the ground. Oh my gosh. And those tires look super meaty.
Hella meaty compared to the old ones.
Yeah, it's nice though. TRD big brake kit and
Ay, ay, ay.